Hey y'all, it's Gabs coming at you with another video. What you just saw was a short I just assembled out of clips I made a few years back. Back when I used to be president of the film club here on my campus, we had an editing contest in which participants were sent clips they had never seen before. They were getting no context about the clips, they were getting no information. All they would get were just the clips. And only one person submitted something. But why? I was told that it was a great idea, but it came across scary. To that, I say, just go out and try. People always worry about having enough experience or find the task to be tedious or challenging. My question is, are you willing to make art you don't know how to do yet? Just go out there and shoot something, literally anything. Just look, my friend Lee is literally laying on 2 chairs. Shoot anything. I gave my friends very little direction. Their personalities are what makes this so fun. And when you edit, try to imitate what you've seen. My jump cuts are inspired by The Limey. I would definitely watch this movie if you want to learn more about editing. And have fun. When you shoot, aim to convey one idea. When you edit, accept the idea as it grows on the editing table. When you shoot, play with angles. Toys are fun too. The trick is to follow your curiosity. Listen and do. Oh, and pay attention. There are details waiting to be discovered. I find it beautiful, honestly. How long do we watch an emotion get played out? What does the pacing of action make us feel? If you're a control freak, indulge. If not, become one at the editing table. And know that the movie you write is different from the movie you shoot. And the movie you edit will be different from the movie you wrote. Thanks for watching. Peace.